When insurance decisions affect repairs, value, and outcomes, clarity matters. Nexus Claim Services, Repair Vision, Market VIN, data, document.
Nexus Claim Services helps vehicle owners and repair facilities navigate the appraisal clause, diminish value claims, total loss disputes, estimate audits, and consulting when insurance decisions don't add up.
RepairVision helps automotive repair facilities keep customers informed with real video updates, showing the damage, explaining the repairs, and eliminating confusion. See how it works at repairvision.app.
MarketVin determines real vehicle value using actual market listings. Enter the VIN, mileage, and zip code, and the system does the work. Built for body shops, insurance companies, TPAs, and vehicle owners.